Good morning, this is Robert Kaars Sijpesteijn bringing you this morning's market update. Looking to the States, both the US500 and Wall Street had a positive day due to an energy share spike, making it their fifth consecutive gaining day, while a decline in large cap technology names pushed the US Tech 100 lower. Alphabet and Facebook lost more than 2% each, while Microsoft dropped 1.9% and Apple shed 1.1%. The US 500 added 7 points to close on 2001.88. The Wall Street gained 86 points to close on 17,065, and the US Tech 100 dropped 15 points to close on 4,303.25. Reviewing last week, the US economy added significantly more jobs than expected in February, but wages continued to stagnate, highlighting the dilemma facing the Federal Reserve over when next to raise rates. A 0.1% fall in average hourly earnings in February also highlighted one of the main worries facing the US economy, that many Americans are still failing to see the benefits of the recovery and growing increasingly frustrated about it, a concern that is having an impact on the political debate and this year's presidential campaign. Moving to commodities, oil has surged over $40 a barrel for the first time this year, as shifting sentiment raises hopes that a 20-month price rout is finally coming to an end. Crude has climbed by almost 50% from lows of $27 a barrel after sliding US production and discussions between Saudi Arabia and Russia eased fears that the price could fall below $20. A key factor in the spike has been the continuing fall in US rig numbers, which have declined in the face of consistently low oil prices. Data shows that they have fallen under 400 for the first time since the financial crisis. This time last year, the rig count stood at 922. Meanwhile, Saudi Arabia is on the verge of brokering a deal with Russia to cap oil production and has already roped in fellow OPEC members Venezuela and Qatar. OPEC countries will attend second-round talks in Russia on 20th of March, including Nigeria and United Arab Emirates. Brent crude added value yesterday, gaining $1.90 to close on $40.84 a barrel. Likewise, gold has continued its upward rally, gaining $4 to close on $1,268. In Europe, the Germany 30 gained 10 points, closing on 9,783.5, while in the UK the market was helped by gaining mining stocks, pushed up by a rally in the price of iron ore, however only enough to move the UK 100 up all of 0.8 points, closing on 6,180.8. Looking into the Brexit debate, the Bank of England is preparing to protect British banks from running out of funds in the event of a Brexit vote by flooding them with a wall of money, in the latest sign of authorities' nervousness surrounding the EU referendum. The central bank has announced it will give commercial banks 3 exceptional opportunities just before and after the June 23rd poll on Britain's membership of the EU to borrow as much money as they like to offset any threat of a run on banks and prevent a repeat of the chaos of financial crisis in 2007 and 2008. In today's corporate news, RWE reported a net loss of €170 million for 2015, and Merck KGAA reported net sales up 13% year-on-year to €12.8 billion. Today's economic data in focus at 10 a.m. in Europe, gross domestic product for the fourth quarter will be released, and at 5 o'clock in the UK, MPC member Wheel will have a speech. That's all for this morning's market update. Thank you and goodbye.